I'm so nervous and so excited. How do I even start this video? Hey everyone, how you doing? If you are new here, I'm Nicol Concilio and welcome to the video. This is so exciting. This is such an exciting video that I'm filming today. I'm literally sitting down. I have like the jitters. I can't sit still. I'm so excited. I don't even know how do I even, I'm so excited. As you guys know, one of my favorite companies that I've been working with and just been so close with throughout my entire makeup career is Smashbox. And it is such a freaking honor to finally show you guys what me and Smashbox have been working on together for the past year. I am so excited to show you guys my collaboration with Smashbox. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm not ready. I'm so nervous, but so excited. One of my favorite products that Smashbox has that you guys know that I use in every single freaking video are their primers. I am such a huge fan of their primers, their regular primer, their primer water. They have a bunch of different primers. So it only made sense and was so fitting for me to do this collaboration with Smashbox. Allow me to introduce my three little babies here. I have collaborated with Smashbox on 3 different scents for primer water. These are the primer juices. Guys, I'm so excited. Oh my god, okay. Let's go through them. Let's look at it. So we have 3 different scents here. The first scent is called Centering Citrus. This is what it looks like. This is the outside packaging. I was able to design everything and just worked so hands-on with this, and it was the most incredible experience. This is what the packaging looks like for Centering Citrus. This is the outside packaging. You get a little excerpt on the back, and then this is what it looks like on the inside. We developed this kind of like colorful but yet clear still so that you could see how much liquid is left inside the bottle. That's one of my biggest pet peeves, is when you can't see. The next one we have is So Chill Coconut, again with my photo, my little signature there. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This one smells bomb, okay? This one is so good. They're all amazing, but this one, if you are a coconut lover, oh, you will love this one, guys. This is so amazing, and I got to pick out kind of everything, like the palm trees. You guys know I have a palm tree tattoo, and I have like just a lot of love for palm trees. I know, weirdest thing ever. I got to pick out the colors, the scents, like everything, and it just was so like, I'm literally still on cloud 9. Like, I cannot believe I'm sitting here talking about this, and it's such a different collaboration than like a lot of influencers have done. So I love this. I love that it's different and like something that literally everyone can use. You're not intimidated by this product whatsoever. So I'm just so excited. And the last one we have here is Serene Greens, again with my picture and signature. So let me tell you a little bit about the backstory of like how this came to be, and then I will get into all of the product details, when it is launching, how much each product is, kind of a little bit more about the products, what you can use it for. But let me just give you guys a little backstory. So before Christmas break of 2016, I met with the Smashbox team for a dinner, just kind of like said Merry Christmas. I love meeting with the companies that I work with just to like, you know, express my gratitude and like be with them and stuff like that. So I remember being at this dinner with them and just like talking about doing potential collaborations, and I had mentioned something along the lines of doing like a peppermint primer water, like scented primer waters, and they liked the idea so much. But I, in the back of my mind, was like thinking, because it was Christmas, I was like, oh, peppermint, like, you know what I mean? And they liked the idea so much that they actually went ahead with it, and we did 3 different scents. Obviously the peppermint one didn't work out, and I think for probably a good reason. It's just so crazy how like we literally were just like tossing stuff up into the air, and then it just like happened, like it totally manifested. And I'm just so freaking grateful, so excited to be given this opportunity. And if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be anything without you guys. So thank you to you guys for believing in me and always being there for me and supporting me throughout my entire career. It literally means the absolute world to me, and I can't express my gratitude enough to you guys. So I'm going to be using So Chill Coconut to kind of demonstrate this. I'll switch between different primer waters to show you guys. There are a lot of really cool uses for these products. So you can use it to mist as a primer. You can use it to refresh your makeup. You can use it to set your makeup. And what I like to do do is actually keep it in my mini fridge in my beauty room so that it's nice and cool and refreshing for those kind of hot days. And honestly, I just love like a cooling feeling to my face. I love it so much. And it instantly absorbs into the skin for lasting hydration. So this is just like something that will literally make your skin feel so refreshed. And even if you have oily skin, this will not make you more oily. This is amazing product to use. It'll just refresh your makeup without smudging or smearing anything. And it leaves your skin looking really soft without any shine. And for you people who are dehydrated all the time, like myself, it wakes up your electrolytes in your skin and just adds a lot of radiance. And another important thing is that Smashbox is cruelty-free, so everything here is cruelty-free, which is amazing. So let me show you guys how I recommend to use this. I like to do about an arm's length apart and kind of just mist it on my face. I kind of go in like a zigzaggy motion. You could do whatever. You guys know I like to drench my face in this sometimes. So I'm gonna be using this to refresh my makeup and to set it. It also is really good to use when you feel like maybe you add a little bit too much powder to your face. This kind of like makes it so that everything looks really radiant and smooth. So I'm just going to use this Puppy Rat Her. Go crazy with it, you know? You only live once. And it like instantly like awakens your skin. You're just like, oh, I feel so refreshed, ready to start the day. And it is silicone, alcohol, and oil free, so you don't have to worry about any of those harsh ingredients. Another thing I like to do, which I will show you guys, I'm gonna be switching over to Serene Green. I like to use this to actually wet my beauty blender. So if you have a sponge or a beauty blender, whatever you use, you can use this to kind of spray on your beauty blender. Anything you want, you can use it to blend out your makeup. Again, refresh your makeup. I always use this on my beauty blender. I don't even use like sink water anymore or tap water. I literally just use my primer juices and I love the way it feels, and it just kind of brings your makeup all together as well. Switching over to Centering Citrus, I want to show you guys a little test here. This is something that I do all the time, and if you are new to my channel, then this is a new tip, but if you have been here for a minute, sorry to be repetitive. So I have a little eyeshadow trio here from Smashbox and a flat brush. I'm going to show you guys what the eyeshadow looks like without any of my primer juices on it on the back of my hand. So we kind of have like a very subtleness to it. And then I'm gonna take Centering Citrus and just wet both ends of the brush. And now look at that payoff compared to the swatch right next to it. That's pretty bomb. I'm gonna show you again with a darker color so that you can see. So we have another eyeshadow trio here. I'm gonna take this gold shade, swatch it on the back of my hand so you guys can see. And then let's use some of the primer water again on this flat brush. And there you go. You guys can see the intensity picks up so much more. It almost makes it even more metallic. It's like gorge in real life, y'all. So gorge. It literally will brighten up any eyeshadow that you have, make it more metallic looking, make it more pigmented, make the payoff more worth it. It's literally a step that I do every single time when I do my eyeshadow. I had such an amazing time creating this product. It was so amazing to do, like, just all of the behind the scenes, the photo shoot that we got to do. It was literally incredible. I got to shoot with Davis Factor, who is literally the creator of Smashbox, which was a huge honor. And I do also just want to say that working with Smashbox has literally been such a huge pleasure for me. Not only are their products amazing and the company's amazing, the people behind the company are amazing. And that's truly what means the most to me whenever I choose to collaborate with a company. I'm just so beyond honored that they even wanted to do this with me, and it just was, it's just so surreal. I can't believe I'm finally able to talk about it. So let's get down into the nitty gritty and let's talk about some of the release dates. So today, March 6th, it is available on Smashbox.com and in stores in Ulta March 11th. This is a limited edition product, so when it is gone, hunty, she is gone. So don't sleep on this. I'm telling y'all right now. Another really cute thing I wanted to point out about my packaging and everything, because I literally, I just love this packaging. I literally got to pick all of this out and do all of this. Like, it's just insane that a huge company like Smashbox believed in me so much. They let me do whatever I wanted, and that's just, I just am so mind boggled by it. So each one has really cute quotes on the side. So this one for Centering Citrus has Vibe and Thrive on the side here, if you guys can see that. Then for So Chill Coconut, we have Resting Beach Face, okay? How great is that? You're welcome. And for Serene Greens, we have Rise and Revitalize. Oh, so yeah, this is so cool. I'm so excited. I can't believe I can finally talk about it. Like, it's so awesome and it's so different and it's just so fun. And I love that I could create something with Smashbox on a product that they already have that's so great and just kind of take it up a notch. You know what I mean? I just love that so much. And I love how user-friendly it is. Like, you do not have to be a huge glamazon like myself and have full glam on every single day to use these products. Like, you can literally use them after you go to the gym. Like, I literally keep one in my gym bag with me. Sometimes I keep them to tame my flyaways. Like, I know that that's a little bit ridiculous, but when you are in a crunch, hunty, you use what you can. These are just my little babies, and I'm so excited to finally share them with you guys. It means the world to me. I'm so excited. Any other information I will leave down in the description bar down below. So if you have any questions, concerns, 90% of it will be down below. If not, I will be responding to you guys on Instagram, Twitter, on the YouTube comment section. So yeah, I hope you guys like this. I'm so freaking excited. I can't wait to use it more in tutorials and finally show you guys. Oh, and one last thing I wanted to show you. You can take this to intensify your highlight even more. So I'm gonna spray it onto my brush here. This is So Chill Coconut. I'm gonna take this highlighter and bam, okay? Yes, and same on this side. You're welcome. No, but guys, I'm so beyond grateful for all of the opportunities that you have given me. I'm literally nothing without you guys. And I really hope you genuinely like this product. It's so amazing. I love it so much. And I'm so excited for you guys to finally be able to try it. Leave me a comment down below what you guys think and which scent you think you'll be buying. If you'll get all three, if you'll get 2, 1, whatever. And I also have some really cool meet and greets and other things that we're gonna be doing around these products. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you keep up with me on all of my socials and I'll be posting everything. I love you guys so much. Like, I can't say that enough. I am so ecstatic and I hope you like it. And if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe down below and I will see you guys next time. Bye.